Hey, Michael here with another Onshape tech tip. Communication and collaboration are an important part of the daily work of a product developer. Onshape allows you to communicate with internal and external stakeholders directly on the model. First of all, make sure that you have shared your Onshape document with your collaborator and have selected the comment function. Even without edit permissions, the user on the right-hand side can leave feedback and comments on the model. The comment function offers features such as tagging other users, linking elements, such as here from the graphics area, or creating markups and assigning tasks to clearly define what it is about. As in a live chat, the user on the left is informed via a notification and can respond to a request for a design change immediately. Of course, the user on the right sees every change to the design in real time and therefore no longer relies on the exchange of neutral files via email, for example. With Onshape, there is only one single source of truth for the data instead of many non-associative copies of CAD files. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Onshape tech tips.